This is the day that the
Get the
Lord
point. It is bringing
has
the live
made.
stream for Maombi Samson's function today. And thank you for having come today. And we want to have a little talk. What do you tell those who've come today?
I want to tell them thank you for their support because this is one of the special occasion we have, and we want to see the blessings of the Lord because Maombi has become an inspiration. He has blessed many. Let's support him.
Which of his songs do you love so much?
I love a song that goes, never grow old. We will never grow old. That is the most wonderful song and the latest song. That is so inspiring.
Yeah, huyu ndio Maombi Samson ambao wapenda umeweza kumuona siku hii leo. Ameweza kufika hapa Kisii School kuja kutubariki na nyimbo zake mingi. Ndugu Samson, habari yako?
Njema.
Happy Sabbath.
Happy day.
You look smart.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I've never seen you smile like this before.
It is my day, and that's why I'm smiling.
Move into the main hall.
Thank you so much, friends. Those who are following us, we are really grateful. Without you, we cannot move. We ask you just to continue following us, and may God bless you so much. Thank you.
But I know you want to give the best songs.
Yeah.
Which of the songs, among of your songs, which is your favorite song?
Okay, I have many of my favorite songs. Most of the time, it is the listeners who can tell me which is the best song for them. But for me, for now, the song that I see it is inspiring many, it is Nitawimba Wimbo. And for that, I'm going to give the people that song today without any problem. And I believe that they will enjoy it and it will be of blessing to them.
Yeah, so the follower, this is Maombi Samson, the Nitawimba Wimbo hit song maker, ambao leo tumefika hapa Kisii School kusimama na yeye. Maombi yenu, support yenu ya kimchango, yote yanakubalika. Yupo hapa na rafiki yake tena mchungaji Geoffrey Nyakundi ambaye leo atakuwa anatupa neno la Mungu. Niwakaribishe wote, sasa nawakaribisha waingie kwenye ukumbi wakaweze kutubariki. Karibu sana. Ingia kwenye ukumbi mkaweze kuwabariki wengi. Sawa, karibu sana, mtazidi kuingia. Kwa hivyo jinsi hivyo ndivyo nimeweza kuwakaribisha Maombi Samson na mchungaji Geoffrey Nyakundi ambao siku ya leo naweza kukuhudumia. Kwako Jose kwa fundi wa mitambo. Kwa heri.
chentere ne koroya na somogoko asenge chondi mwato mwegere yomonyanguru rora otwariro kobuwa igora semera kende keriga komu asemasia ero monyanguru oitona indomoro angesegi kende keriga komu asare chentere ne koroya na somogoko asenge chondi mwato mwegere yomonyanguru. Ero manyanguru oitona indomoro angesegi kende keriga komu asare tiganchetere nenkoroya na somogoko asenge chondi mwato mwegere yomonyanguru rora otwariro kobuwa
na tuimbe na wao tukifanya hivi mikono ni maana jameni. Amen.
Ero manyanguru oitona indomoro angesegi kende keriga komu asare tiganchetere nenkoroya na somogoko asenge chondi mwato mwegere yomonyanguru rora otwariro kobuwa igora semera kende keriga komu asemasia ero manyanguru oitona indomoro angesegi kende keriga komu asare tiganchetere nenkoroya na somogoko asenge chondi mwato mwegere yomonyanguru rora otwariro kobuwa igora semera kende keriga komu asemasia ero manyanguru oitona indomoro angesegi kende keriga komu asare tiganchetere nenkoroya na somogoko asenge chondi mwato mwegere yomonyanguru rora otwariro kobuwa igora semera kende keriga komu asemasia ero manyanguru oitona indomoro angesegi kende keriga komu asare tiganchetere nenkoroya na somogoko asenge chondi mwato mwegere yomonyanguru rora otwariro kobuwa igora semera kende keriga komu asemasia ero manyanguru oitona indomoro angesegi kende keriga komu asare tiganchetere nenkoroya na somogoko asenge chondi mwato mwegere yomonyanguru.
Na tuwape amina kanisa. That was powerful. Wanaitwa Celestial Ministers. God bless you so much. Family. These are family choir. God bless you so much. Asanteni sana.
And he said unto them, Go ye into all the world and preach the gospel to every creature. Listen, learn, be inspired. Welcome to our channel to get the point. Get the point. Take a step forward. We are thrilled to bring our vibrant worship direct to you. Join us online for heartfelt worship, inspiring sermons, and enriching fellowship. Connect our community as we celebrate faith, love, unity, and grow together in spirit. Stay connected by following us on our social media accounts. Get the Point on YouTube, Get the Point on Facebook, and follow us on TikTok at Get the Point and Instagram Get the Point Media. Get the Point. Take a step forward.